economy is characterized by the solo model with the production function. Yes, even from income method, you will get that. Absolutely. An economy is characterized by the solo model with production function y is equal to root k, where y is output per worker and k is capital per worker. The steady state of output per worker, steady state is already given to you in the question as YSS equal to A 1 upon 1 minus alpha gamma by delta alpha upon 1 minus alpha. Okay. Denote productivity is okay, etc., etc. It says A is 1. 1 upon 1 minus alpha is half. Gamma is 50%, so I will take 0.5. Delta is 5%, so 0.05. Just divide by 100 to convert the percentage. Alpha is half. 1 minus half. Okay. This is going to be YSS. So what will be my YSS? 1 to the power anything is 1. This is 50 by 5. And this is just 1. So this gives you the answer as 10. Now, this is my steady state. Then it says that capital is at 400. So what is your actual output? It is root of 400, which means it will be 20. So clearly my actual output is greater than the steady state level of output, isn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and get the answer as above the steady state. Correct. So answer is A. So very, very simple question. That is why I have been telling you, please don't deviate yourself with ISI questions at this time. We will do ISI the moment we finish. ISI ka sara question we will do it in the live class. Don't worry. The moment I finish with IIT exam, don't deviate yourself doing ISI, DSC. Sometimes in order to do difficult questions, you end up not doing the simpler ones. At max, do the mock tests that are important, right? Because usme, even if you don't get to the last answer, wo jo beech ka tricky part hai, I want you to just keep those things in mind. But don't do ISI.